asilalanga lapha ku-social media kuthiwa unonkosikazi ngapha Bulawayo. Ngabe kanjani lo ngasithatha kanjani lo daba kanjalo?
Okay, okokuqala nje sicela ukubonga abantu base South Africa ngesupport. Ngicela ukunibonga nonke abantu base South Africa ngesupport. Kuhlale kukhona ukuthi uma usebenza wenza into ephilayo kuhlale kukhona labo abangabathakathi abathandazela ukuthi kungathi ngonakala lokho okwenzayo. Kwesinye isikhathi kuze kwenziwe ngisho yibo labo osukusebenza nabo uhamba nabo. Kube yibo abanomona. Kwesinye isikhathi phela abanisebenza amandla walingana. Kuyenzeka ukuthi nenze into eyodwa, niqashwe umsebenzi owodwa nohola imali efanayo, nibheke endaweni eyodwa, nifuna into eyodwa kodwa manje amandla angalingana. So kokunye uthola ukuthi kwabona labo abantu osukusebenza nabo abanye babo bagcina sebenomona. Bese kuba ngabantu ke nje okungafanele abantu besethusi. Ningalokuthi nethuke. Abantu base South Africa bahlukene phakathi ngalento yabantu bokufika. Khona bayesekayo ngisho abaholi siyababona abanye benza njalo, abanye baqashile, ngisho amakhosi ayithulele njalo nje. Angaze ngibe nomfazi eZimbabwe. Angeke ngize ngibe nomfazi eZimbabwe. Ngake ngaba nayo intombi engangiyithanda. Kodwa ngabona ukuthi hayi angeke kulunge mase ngihosha inyawo. Futhi ngaphambi kokuthi leyo ntombi ngikhulume nayo, ngenza isiqiniseko sokuthi ngibuke ukuthi izinto zayo zokubala ezweni ziqondile yini. Angifuni ke ngoba mina ngithi mase ngehlukene nomuntu bese ngiba bitter, bese ngihambe ngenza izinto ezirong. Kodwa uma ngabe kuqhubeka kulokhu kuvela izinto ezingezinhle kanje kuzofanele kube khona izinto engiyivezayo ezubufakazi bokuthi ngempela akuyona i-relationship eyake yaba into eserious. Kwaba kuyi-relationship nje ukuthi mhlambe umuntu phela umthanda uya ubuka ukuthi ubhekela ubheke khona. Uma ubona akabhekile la ubheke khona uyayihlehle njengendoda, uhlehle ngendlela futhi enhle, akho nzondo, akho lutho. Kodwa futhi ukube kuthiwa phela mina ngivikela abantu bokufika, ukube kuthiwa kukhulunywa ngokuthi kanti uphakela sonke lesi sikhathi nje evikela abantu bokufika ingoba unentombi eZimbabwe ngoba kezwa kabe. Nangale kwalokho ake sithi wagana ke lo muntu. Engane ngabe uganile phela. Ake sithi ngabe wagana, ngabe uganile. Yikho sithi umuntu othanda umuntu akayi lapha athanda khona. Nathi abantu esibathathile balapha bakhona khona. Nginabo abafazi mina, anginayo umfazi waseZimbabwe. Angeke ngibe naye futhi.
Sibuka usondele usuku banga ngomhla ka-30 June.
30 June 2026. Umile, awujiki, abahambe. Ziningi izinto ezizokwenzeka ngomhla ka-30 June. Kodwa bengicela ukuthi abantu
hey bafethu minjani nifukile mina nifukile vandaag ngifuna ukukhuluma isiZulu because ngifuna wonke lamazulu ase KZN wonke umuntu olandela uphakela umthakathi noJacinta nobanibani bangizwe kahle. I want them to hear me very well because angithi mina I'm not tribalistic or xenophobic. I know how to speak all 11 official languages like South Africa because Tina Matsonga, we pride ourselves with being welcoming to other tribes. So even when we live with them, we know how to become them. Do you understand? So namhlanje ngifuna ukukhuluma ngoNkosikhona phakela umthakathi, the most xenophobic person in South Africa, Afrophobic person in South Africa, because angithi uthe yena ngomhla kaJune nge-30 wonke umuntu ukuthi South Africa kumele ahambe abuyele kubo because as ama-South Africans sifuna ukulungisa ilizwe lethu and then bazobuya kahle wonke umuntu, whether documented or undocumented. That's what he said. So now usisi ubani lo ubekezela Dube Bheki, I think it's a nickname. She owns a casting agency. La ukuthi mawufuna ukuyo actor kuphi uyahamba lapha baya audition abayenza ama story in la South Africa. So usisi unemali, I'm sure unemali. Uhlala khona la eJozi somewhere, I'm sure. Mara nase KZN kusho ukuthi uyaya manje because uposted a picture le mthakathi. And then when I went through her page, because mina, as I said, I'm the government, you cannot hide from me, I know everything. When I went through a page and I told you the picture we posted, why delete? I'm telling you delete the picture because you will mess up things for me. So, but Dallas, I told her a picture because we are the government. You can't hide anything from us. So usisi ubekezela Dube, she's from Zimbabwe. She was born in Matopo village in Zimbabwe, like she's Zimbabwean. So mina ngifuna ukunderstanda la ukuthi wonke umuntu olandela uphakela umthakathi, do you guys know ukuthi umthakathi ukhwelana bathi everyday nina mani loko nimlandela ngemuva everyday nithi nixosha amakwerekwere mahambe. Do you know ukuthi yena makabuyela endlini uyolala? Niyayazi le ndaba leyo ukuthi yena makabuyela endlini uyobhebheka usuku, nina nibhizi lapho nibhebha la mantombazana la eSouth Africa yokuthi awasakwazi ukurespect indoda, ukuhlonipha indoda. They've lost the culture. Niyabona mara ukuthi lo muntu lo does not love South Africans, ukuthi South Africa akayithandi at all. He's telling us one thing and he turns around yena and he does another thing, because uthi yena kumele siwaqoshe labantu bahambe bonke. So kusho ukuthi na le korekore lakhe kumele lihambe, because angithi uthe if umuntu ujola nekorekwere, if le korekwere liyahamba kumele ukuthi wena ojola nalo nawo uhambe nalo. So kusho ukuthi naye uphakela umthakathi masithethe ahambe nale korekwere lakhe bayeZimbabwe and leave us South Africans ukuthi sihlale la eSouth Africa, because ayikho le ndaba yakhe ayikhulumayo. Uyasinyela lo muntu lo kahle kahle, usijwaya amasimba, because thina angeke singadli amakorekwere, thina singabhibha amakorekwere. Abhebhe uye ayi-1, yena is the only one who's allowed ukuthi abhebhe amakorekwere la South Africa. Awuyasinyela nathi sifuna ukwabhebha la makorekwere.
Kulento kaphakela umthakathi woba ugane ezim andini-understandi, kanti bekufuneke amthathe umakoti wakhe ahlale naye phi. Andithi xa nditshate neChina lizondithatha ndiyohlala eChina nalo, xa nditshate neNiger lizondithatha ndiyohlala eNiger nalo. And akho mntu beke wathulwa imijolo benana, andikhumbula ukho umntu othi ulwa uba kungajolwa. So wayengathi wonile ngosuka athande umuntu waseZim, and bekufuneka hamba yohlala eZim kodwa yindoda. Akumelanga ukuthi nguye la sisivele uyayezazi ohlala phe SA ngoba utshatile SA. So why hey niyalwa bafethu niyalwa, bekumele vele njalo. Thina siyayothuka lento ukuthi uba utshate nomuntu waseNiger nizohlala nonke apha kokwenu, ungazi noba umnyango wako kwabo njani, siyothuka ngani. So why ke nipepereza why?
Hawu Phakela bafu, awusasitshela ukuthi uthethe ngale kithi koBulawayo, awusasitshela ukuthi imama ngela koBulawayo kanti enubhizi utshela abosisi beSouth Africa ukuthi bengajolela amazayizayi. Wena Phakela umthakathi wena uyancishana wena, ufuna ukukholisa uwedwa, ufuna thina silokho esilunguza singaphandle when we enjoy. Hayi Phakela ungayenzi lento bafu. Awusasitshela ukuthi uthethe uMadube. Hayi yabona bafethu, thanda noma ubani ofuna ukumthanda empilweni. Uthando it goes beyond borders. So thanda noma ubani ofuna ukumthanda bafethu, it's your life. Hey kodwa hayi mina ngiyakujabulela Phakela mfowethu, kodwa yekela ukuncishana bafu. Hawu sufuna ukujola labo sisi bethu kodwa awufuna ukuthi thina sithinto sisi benu. Hayi ungayenzi njalo.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Uyatrenda Phakela umthakathi ngemva kokuthi kuvakala itindzaba ukuthi unemfati who is a Zimbabwean, and sibonile ama-video circulate lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana basemotweni, ma-pictures ba together with the alleged wife yaPhakela umthakathi. So abantu abaningi they were dragging him lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana ukuthi yena he's always saying ukuthi hey ma-foreigners awahambe kanjani abe yena nemfati who is a Zimbabwean. So le story be circulate nje kakhulu lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana, abantu bakhuluma ngaye ukuthi ulumene why kana ama-members abo March and March nalaba labaqosha ama-foreigners ngibo labane history nokuthandzana nema-foreigner nokuba nebantwana nema-foreigner, but now they are saying ukuthi ma-foreigners awahambe. When the video yoPhakela umthakathi denying lama claims lawo abantu lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana uthi mfati waseZim yena akanaye, that girl bekuyi-girlfriend njena bahlukana because wabona ukuthi yena angeke azakhone ukuqhubeka nemuntu wasezim uthi akanaye umfati wasezim and akasoze waba naye mfati wasezim. Bonke abafati bakhe, they are all South African. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.